Hello, Saqib. How are you?
I am fine, Wakar. But I am a little worried about my exams. They are going to start and I have little preparation.
Why have you not prepared well for your exams?
I could not find time to prepare. I have been busy in my sports coaching and writing my book.
Oh. That's not fair. You must have managed time for your studies.
I could not realize the importance of time and I have wasted a lot.
So, now what is your plan?
I am worried about how would I study all the courses in this short period of time.
You must make a timetable for your study. Set up your priorities and assign some time to them.
I have just 20 days left. I have to prepare for all 3 subjects.
So, get relaxed. Just select important content and prepare it well.
Alas! I had given time to it earlier.
Time is not to be wasted. It is to be fully benefited. You got solid 7 months, but you failed to give some time to your studies.
Can you give me some time on time management?
Yes. First thing is to set up a schedule for your daily activities. Try to do all those in the assigned time period. That is the only way you can get things well going on.
Okay. I will try to do this.
Also give time to all activities according to their importance. For example, now your studies are your top priority, so assign more time to it. Skip the activities that are of little importance. Like you, sports coaching has ended and there is no need to give time to sports regularly.
Oh. That is a really great idea. I hope now I can do something to get through the exams.
Good. Best of luck with your exams. I have to go now.
Thanks, dear friend. Goodbye.
Goodbye.